this video is about modulus functions. Part A, sketch the graph of y equals the modulus of 2x plus 3, 1 mark. So the first step is to draw y equals 2x plus 3. So this is the line actually. To draw the line, just remember the m or the gradient is 2 and the c or the y-intercept is 3. So this is the kind of line with positive gradient and the y-intercept is 3. Now, in case you're wondering how to get the x-intercept here, remember that x-intercept means when the y equals 0, because the coordinates must be something comma 0. Now the y is 2x plus 3, so 2y plus 3 equals 0, and then you can solve this and you will get the x-intercept minus 3 over 2. So after you draw this usual straight line y equals 2x plus 3, you just have to flip the negative part, so just the negative part upside down, and so what you get is this V-shaped graph. You have to label the function and the essential features of the graph, so y-intercept, x-intercept, and you get the 1 mark. Now part B, solve the inequality. 3x plus 8 is greater than the modulus of 2x plus 3, so of course we can use the graph if you understand how, but usually it's maybe easier for algebraic or critical point or the number line method. So if you want to just solve this algebraically, you can start by rewriting the inequality, but this time we use an equal sign, so we are solving the modulus equation here. So after treating the inequality as an equation here, modulus basically means it can be positive or negative, so plus minus. When it's plus, it's just 2x plus 3, just like this. When it's minus, well, minus times 2x minus times 3, we get this on the right hand side. And to solve each equation, as usual, move 2x to the left, 3x minus 2x is x, and just move this 8 to the right, so 3 minus 8 minus 5. And here we move to minus 2x to the left, we get 3x plus 2x, which is 5x, and the 8 to the right, minus 3 minus 8, that's minus 11, and we divide both sides by 5, we get minus 11 over 5. Now these are supposed to be the critical points. However, sometimes we get fake critical points, so we have to check using the equation. So we replace this x and this x with the minus 5 critical point here, so you get 3 times minus 5 plus 8 and a modulus of 2 times minus 5 plus 3. Now if you use your calculator here, you will get minus 7, and here make sure you know how to use a calculator for the modulus. So in your calculator you might have to use the ABS function here. ABS is for absolute, or maybe you can use the absolute symbol, it depends on your calculator. So if you use your calculator, you will get positive 7. Now minus 7 is of course not equal to 7, so this doesn't make sense, this is rejected, so this is a fake critical point, we cannot use it. If you try the minus 11 over 5, again you replace the x here and here with minus 11 over 5. You check using your calculator, you will get 1.4 on both sides, which means this is correct, we can use this critical point. Now after we get the critical point, we draw a number line. So this is a number line, we have only one critical point, so this means we have 2 possible regions or intervals we can use. This interval to the left are smaller than minus 11 over 5, or the interval to the right are bigger than minus 11 over 5. And to know which interval we can use, we have to check using the inequality, so the original inequality. So to check, we plug in any random number to the left or smaller than minus 11 over 5 here. So on the left interval, we have to use something smaller than minus 11 over 5. For example, minus 10. So you replace this x and this x with minus 10, and you check using your calculator what do you get on the left and on the right. In this case, we get minus 22 greater than 17, which doesn't make sense, so this is wrong, which means we cannot use this interval on the left. And for the interval on the right, you can use any random number greater than minus 11 over 5. For example, just use a simple 0. Again, you plug in and use your calculator. You will get 8 is greater than 3, which is right. So that means we can only use this interval on the right. So that means the final answer is x is greater than minus 11 over 5. Alright, I'll see you again next time.